Hey everyone, Bushcraft American here. I recently just went on a successful turkey hunt, and some of the content I got wasn't the best. So I just wanted to give it a better introduction, simply because this was my this was my first public land turkey, and it was truly a unique experience. So there's a few parts of this video that I didn't get to film that well, such as when I shot the turkey. I was only able to put my phone on the ground, so there's going to be a part where you're going to just simply just have the sound of hearing all the turkeys that are around me, and then me taking the shot. But the rest of the content is still good, so I hope you watch it. I hope you watch all the video and enjoy it. And please like and subscribe and follow for more. As well as thank you to Pyramid Air for sending me the Airforce Texan LSS in 257. This air rifle is amazing. It put the turkey down. It anchored it right there in its spot where normally, sometimes you might shoot a turkey and they run off a little bit, but this air gun has a lot of power. It's very easy for me to shoulder. But there's uh, there's just so much good things that I have to say about this air rifle. But just watch this turkey hunt and let me know what you think in the comments below. Camping in the cold. It's probably about 40, 35 degrees. Not sure if you can see my breath, but yeah, camping in the cold. This is how it is. Tahoe's never happy camping in the cold. But he's all about that body warmth. Making some morning coffee. I don't know why this is taking so long to boil, but as soon as I can get some coffee in me, I'll be able to hit the trail. Tahoe's ready to go. Just waiting on this coffee though. When you camp out in the cold, oftentimes you might lose a little bit of pressure. So what I'm gonna do is just top it off a little bit with the hand pump. Not a lot, just because it'll warm up later in the day, but just going to top it off a little bit so that if I run into anything in the early light, I'll still have a few more shots left. So just gonna fill it up real quick. And it's just a few pumps, it's nothing crazy. It's probably like 10, 15, 20 pumps just to put a little bit more air into it, more pressure, just because when it's cold, the your air tank's gonna lose a little bit of air and pressure. So that's why it's beneficial to have a hand pump, so that you can just top it off real easy, nice and quiet. It won't scare away any critters while you're pumping it up. A little bit of a late start, simply because I haven't done this in a while. And man, look at this setup. I forgot how heavy my pack is carrying water for two. So even though I'm hunting, this is kind of more like rucking. But I've got a hour to 90-minute walk to where I want to get to. So the hike is about 2 miles, 2.5 miles. So hopefully I'll be getting there just as the sun is rising so I can hear any turkeys if they're talking. But yeah, a little bit of a late start, but whatever. I'm enjoying myself and we'll see how today goes. Oh yeah, and I'm hunting with the 257 LSS. Thank you, Pyramid Air, for sending it to me so I can hunt it. We'll see if I can come on some turkeys or maybe even a coyote, but we'll see. Thank you, Pyramid Air. Okay, this next part, my dog and I found the spot to set up, and we are sitting there, and next thing you know, there are turkeys flying down from their roosts all around us, and it's mainly just sound, so just listen through. I think it's very good sound, and then the hunt will continue. First light, my first public land turkey. Oh my gosh, I got a turkey with the Texan LSS. I don't know if anyone has done that before. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. First light. First light with the Texan LSS. Public land turkey. Check this setup. This is where we were. Sat here in the morning. Heard a bunch of flapping. I didn't even call. I had to tell my dog to stay down a little bit. Look at our setup. So I hit it up there. And then there it is. Look at this. It's all right here. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. You stayed so good. Hey, 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 hey. Good boy. Okay, that was good. Okay, get away from him. Get away from him. Okay, okay. Let me distracted. Whew. My dog was tearing into it. I didn't even see. Okay, good boy. You're doing good. You did good this morning, but I got it. So you're gonna stay over here. Okay. So check this out. Look, it's a tom. My first public land. It was a tom. So nice looking bird. Look at this. Public land turkey. With the LSS. Both my turkeys have been taken with the Texan. So very happy about this. Alright, well, my stand just broke, so I'm just gonna have to film it this way. Sorry it's not the best content, but
It's cold, and I want to get back, process this turkey, and get home because I thought I was going to be out here all day. But I finally know what it feels like to get your game first thing at first light, so you can go ahead and get out of here. But man, I'm super excited about this. Like, it is taking me forever to figure out how to hunt turkeys public land, and we were walking in, heard some flapping, decided to set up off the trail, and man, all right, 7 o'clock, ready to pack out of here. All right, well, I made it back to where I wanted to be. I got the turkey with me. Quick little recap. So when I was walking in, I heard some flapping, and I was like, all right, maybe I'll stand right here and see what happens. Wasn't too sure, but I knew that those were turkey wings flapping, and decided to set up, put up a little bit of my camo netting, and pretty much sat from like 5 o'clock until like early 6 when I started hearing those turkeys. I was hearing a lot of hens yelping. Didn't hear Tom. And then what happened is they flew and landed right behind me. And I was like, oh no, I thought they were going to land in front of me because I could, I obviously knew I was at their roost. But it was easily probably like 8 hens landed behind me. I think I got a shot of a tom or a hen flying over me. At one point, my dog actually popped his head up and I had to tell him to sit because I was afraid that he was going to scare all the turkeys away because they were right behind us so they could look down and see on us. But thankfully, a tom flew overhead and landed right up above me. Once I process this turkey, I'll be able to see where the shot hit because I don't really remember where the shot was. I think it was like a breast shot, but I was able to just shoot over my shoulder and make a really solid hit. The turkey rolled down a little bit, and it was a successful hunt. So thanks a lot to Pyramid Air for sending me the LSS. I'm not sure if anyone has taken a turkey with it, but thanks to Pyramid Air. And like, subscribe, follow. I've got more hunts coming, and I might get back out here. I want to do some coyote hunting, so we'll see. But yeah, thanks for following, and on to the next hunt.